What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tierra J here, and I'm back for. I'm trying to come up with something. You know how to be an official YouTuber, you gotta have like a little slogan when you come in and say the same thing on every video. I just can't seem to find mine. So, I guess I'm not an official YouTuber. Anyway, y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, you see it, juicy curls, okay, really curly curls for the girls. So I just got out the shower, so my hair is in a wrap. It has been in a wrap all day. It's itching, but it's itchy. It's almost about time for me to wash it again, even though I just washed it probably like not even a whole week ago. I just like washing my hair, okay? But anyway, it's in a wrap. Okay, just like that, still pressed or whatever. And I need to get my brush. Where did I put it? And where did I put the damn comb? How you gonna be trying to film a video? You ain't even got your stuff ready. How, boo? So, I have it wrapped. Like I said, it's been in this wrap all day long. Ooh, silk press is still nice and popping. My edges did get like a little wet in the shower, so I'll probably go in and, you know, press them out. Got a little, you know, little nappy nap on the edges, but it's all good. We about to get a new style going because I'm getting a little bored with the straight hair. I just want like a whole lot of body in this hair. I haven't been feeling the straight look, like the layers especially. Like, girl, these layers is going crazy or whatever, but it's time for a new style. I just want some boom, some body bounce. So I'm gonna be doing like some curls, flat iron curls, hand curls, whatever you call these, curls with flat iron, okay? And I'm gonna do them like kind of pretty tight. So I am going to show you guys how to pin curl your hair. I think pin curls are really great for like if you want a tight curl, if you want your curls to just like be boom in the morning, be popping. You can run a brush through it and everything is just so springy and beautiful, luscious, and just volumized and everything. And this is also perfect for, you know, keeping your hair curled at night or keeping that look going. Like if your hair is already curled, you could just take, you know, sections, wrap it up, pin it like I'm about to show y'all in this video. So yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and get these curls popping for the girls. okay. Got our little pin curls. I'm gonna just do a little turn so y'all can see how they look. Here's the back. I do have some loose pieces. I think it's mainly just like my hair that didn't, you see that? Yeah, that's my hair. That just didn't get up there, which is all right. I'm just gonna kind of like, you know, tuck that in like that. Once I take them down, I am gonna like, you know, brush through it, comb through it to get like big, voluminous, juicy curls. So it's cool. I think this is gonna be so cute in the morning. And now I'm just going to put, let me see, I was gonna put my wrap on, but I really don't want them smush down too much. So I'm gonna just throw my bonnet on. Just got a regular black bonnet here. And normally I do pin curls like when I'm getting ready, so I don't even have to sleep on them and, you know, risk them being all smushed and stuff. Like pin curls are really good for like beginning of the morning. You curling your hair and you want your curls to stick and be, you know, real curly and juicy, and just pinning them up while you do your makeup, get dressed, and then you take the clips out. I really don't do them while going to bed, but tomorrow I have a really early morning and I'm not gonna even have time to like curl my hair or do anything. I have to like wake up, get my kids ready, and get out the door, okay? So that's why I went ahead and did them for tonight. The clips don't feel really bad. I do got a couple of them that's kind of stabbing me, or like, you know, kind of uncomfortable, like right here and like right here. But I think that should be okay. I'll let y'all know how the sleep was in the morning. And of course, I'm coming back in the morning to show you all the juicy curls for the girls. And we're gonna see how these pin curls turned out. So I'm sleepy, okay? I'm about to go to sleep, get my beauty rest, and I'll see y'all in the morning. All right, y'all, I'm back. It's the morning time. I'm lying. It's the whole entire afternoon. Okay, remember I was supposed to be waking up and unclipping and going. Girl, missed the whole doctor appointment. I had to reschedule it. So yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and finally get ready for our day, okay? Finally take these clips out. One of them already fell down, which is all right. My edges did get a little bit poofed up again because when I washed my face, I got like, you know, water on my hairline, but I'm gonna just use edge control for that. I'm trying to find a little edge brush. All right, so it's time to see how these curls came out, and all you do is just take the silver clips out. If you can find them, like, girl, where you at? There you go. Okay, take the silver clips out, and boom, you see them curls coming true. So I'm just gonna take a wide tooth comb, and make sure you use a wide tooth if you wanna, you know, comb the curls out. Oh, and get that baba boo. I hardly even want to comb these out. I think this is super cute how tight these are. Like, okay, a little sassy. Some of them did get like smushed and stuff, but easy fix. I'm gonna just go in and fix whatever it looks like, you know, smushed and stuff. I actually think I'm gonna use my hands and just comb them out with my hands, cause I am feeling all of this body, okay? I'm trying to keep all this body, and I'm gonna just go in with my flat iron and fix this little piece up here. This is cute. This is cute or whatever. Oh, I'm feeling real glamorous and girly and cute. I love curls, y'all. Like, I love a sleek. Okay, sleek middle part is my name. I love me a sleek look, but it's just something about curls that just do something to your whole entire mood. You just be feeling like we're gonna get these edges together because I'm out here looking real edge-lish, okay? So I'm gonna get these edges together. Just do a little bit of edge control using my Eben, of course, because I love this stuff. Yeah, we're gonna have these. Oh, did I just get edge control on my little swooped it out? No, got edge control on my hair. That probably gonna be greasy now. Yes, honey curls for the girls, okay? Super cute. I love all this body and bounce. I'm still loving this braidless sew-in. Yes, this is still the same. Braidless sewing is holding up so good. I don't even want to let this go. I low-key. But yes, this is the look, girls. I'm loving these curls. And to take care of this at night, if you want to keep like all of this boom, just pin curl it back, like go through, starting like at the top. Take your little curls, take your pieces, and you see the way the direction is already going. You just follow that natural direction that is already trying to, you know, curl in, and put them back into the pin curls. Boom. Put your clip back on it. When you take it out in the morning, bam, same thing. Or if you want it to fall a little more loose, like feathers, with hair this long, it's not really gonna be like feathered, but like, you know, if you just want a little bit of body, you could just do so many different things with one silk press. Like, you do not have to have your hair straight, or however you gotta style all throughout the week or 2 weeks, or however long you keep your hair straight. And you could do so many different things with, like, you know, pin curls, flexi rods, and just everything, girl. Everything. You see, I ain't have to put no heat on my hair except for my little piece that I felt like, you know, was messed up. But other than that, this is a heatless style, so it's great for maintaining your hair without putting too much heat on it. I love styles like this where you could just wrap it up at night, and then in the morning you super cute and ready to go, even though I wasn't ready to go because I overslept. I love nighttime styles, especially being a mommy on the go. It is just absolutely perfect. Okay, make sure to follow me on Instagram because I definitely will be taking some pics today. I am gonna show y'all a little sneak peek of my outfit, but y'all gotta follow me on Instagram to see the rest because I feel real cute today. Just a little leg out or whatever. This is from my girl's boutique. I'll link it down below. If you want to see my entire wardrobe that I got from her boutique, make sure to follow me on Instagram because I definitely will be getting dressed and cute this week, taking some pictures in all my cute clothes that she sent me. Like, y'all, her boutique is popping. Go check it out. Love y'all so much. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you ain't subscribed, what is you doing, boo? And I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Mwah.